Hello everyone, I'm Tani from Year 8 Courage. Today I will be discussing about the areas of a rectangle. So for the first question, calculate the area of each rectangle. Give each answers in square centimeters. So for the first question, by finding the area, we will need the basic calculation, which is area equals to the length times the width. So for the first question, the length is 5 cm and the width is 6 cm. So by finding the area, we will be multiplying the length and the width. So 5 times 6 will be equals to 30 cm square. For the second question, it will be the same. So 4 cm times 4.5 will be equals to 18 cm square. And then for the third question, the length is 35 millimeters and the width is 3 cm. So by seeing the units, there is a difference. One is millimeters and one is centimeters. So we need to convert it into the same so that we will get the accurate area. So by doing this, I will be choosing 35 millimeters. So by converting millimeters to cm, we will need to divide by 10, which will be equals to 3.5 cm. So while we already converted into the same unit, we will be multiplying them. So 3.5 cm times 3 will be equals to 10.5 cm square. Okay, so moving on. Sorry. Okay, so moving on. For the second question, calculate the missing sides of each rectangle. So for the first question, they have found the areas for us, but some of the length and the width are missing. So for the fourth question, the areas is 28 cm square and the length is 4 cm, while the width is unknown. So by finding it, we will be using the area and divide by the length or the width. So in this case, the width is missing. So by doing this, we will need 28 cm square divide by 4 cm and it will be equals to 7 cm. Okay, so for the fifth question, we'll be doing the same. While the area are provided, which is 5 meters square, and the length is missing, and the width is 2.5 meters. So by doing this, we will use the width to divide the area so that we can find the length. So by using the area 5 meters square, divide by 2.5 meters, and it will be equals to 2 meters. So our answer will be 2 meters. And for question number 6, the area is 32.2 cm square, while the length is 0.092 meters, and the width is unknown. So by doing this, we could see that the units are different, which one is centimeter square and one is just meter. So by doing this, I will be converting 0.092 meters into centimeters. So by doing this, I will be multiplying it by 100, which it will be equals to, by doing this, okay, wait, So 100 has two zeros, so 1, 2. So our final answer will be 9.2 cm. Okay, so by finding the width, we will need to divide it by 9.2. So 32.2 cm square divided by 9.2 cm will be equals to 3.5 cm. Okay, so we're done with the first part. So moving on to the second part. So for question number 7, it says that a rectangular football pitch is 95 meters long and 60 meters wide. So calculate its area stating the units to your answers. So by finding the area, we will be using the same method, which is area equals to length times width. So we will be using this calculation. So by doing this, we will use 95 meters multiplied by 60 meters, and it will be equals to 5,700 meters square. And moving on to question number 8, the surface of a pool table has a width of 1.5 meters and a length 2.5 times the values of the width. Calculate the areas of the surface of pool tables. So by doing this, it says that the length is about 2.5 times. So it's basically saying that so by saying, okay, we will be seeing about the width first. So the width, they said it will be 1.5 meters, so means that it will be 1.5 meters. While the length, they said it will be 2.5 times of the value. So basically, it's meaning that it will be 2.5 meters. Okay, so by knowing the width and the length now, we will be calculating it. So I will multiply the width and the length together. So 1.5 meters multiplied by 2.5 meters will be equals to 3.7 meters. And then so we have found the answer for the width times the length. So moving on, the answer is 3.75 meters. So they says that the pool table has a width and the length is a 2.5 times the value of width. So I will be using 3.75 meter and multiply it by 1.5 meters, which it will equals to 5.625 meters square. And this will be our final answer for the areas of the pool table. Okay, so moving on for question number 9. A square has an area of 144 cm square. Calculate its perimeter. So, how we calculate the perimeter? So we will be using the formula of the perimeter. So I would start by putting 144. Oh wait, sorry. Oh, so the calculation would be area equals to the sides square. Yeah. So okay, so this will be our calculation. So by finding the sides, we will be finding the sides by doing it in square root form. So I can't really write square root in typing, so I will write it out. Wait. Okay, so square root, it will be, I'll put the 144 inside of the square root. And then, so square root of 144, it will be equals to 12 cm. And so for the perimeter, as we all know that we will be multiplying it by its sides. So by doing this, sorry, wait, let me adjust this. Okay, so perimeter, we will be using the equation. I feel I need to clean this up a little bit. Okay, let me clean a little bit. Sorry guys, I have no more space. I need to clean it first. Okay, so by doing this, we will be using 4 because a square has 4 sides, and multiply by the length of like the sides. So we calculated it will it's 12 cm, so we'll multiply by 12. And then 4 times 12 cm, it will be equals to 48 cm. And this will be our final answer. And then now moving on to the last question, question number 10. It says that a regular lawn, a rectangular lawn has a length of 5 meters and a width of 3 meters. A square flower bed with a length of 2 meters is to be dug in the center. What area of lawn will be left? So by doing this, we'll be finding the area of the lawn first. We'll be finding the rectangular lawn. So the rectangular lawn, wait, okay. The rectangular lawn, the areas, it says that a length of 5 meters. So the length, it will be 5. Okay, wait, let me write down the equation again so that you guys got a clearer idea. And then, so it will be equals to 5 meters since the length is 5 meters, as they said. And the width is 3 meters, so multiply by 3, it will, it will be equals to 15 meters square. And then we will be finding the area of the flower bed. So of the flower bed. Okay, so by doing this, it says that with a length of 2 meters is to be dug in the center. So we'll write 2 meters. And then since it is to be dug in the center and oh wait, sorry guys. So we will be using 2 meters and then multiply it by 2 meters again. And then it will be equals to 4 meters square. So this is the area of the flower bed. And then we will be finding the remaining as they said what. So the question says what area of lawn will be left. So by doing this, we will be subtracting the rectangular lawn of the area and the area of the flower bed. So now we will be subtracting them. So the rectangular lawn is basically 15 meters square and then minus 4 meters square. It will be, oh wait, not. It will be equals to 11 meters square. And this will be the final answer for question number 10. Okay, so I hope you guys understand. So yeah.